Hello, my name is Swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the latest filework Swiss Army knife run from Tom Stratton, a US artist. We sent him some unique Swiss Army knives to get it made even more precious with the filework that he does. This work is under warranty by Victorinox, so this is still a factory warranted Swiss Army knife and all is approved. So we just got in that latest shipment from him and I'm gonna show all knives one by one, starting with the blue A-locks that we have here in my hand. It's a model, a 93mm Swiss Army knife with the two main blades, and that is something we did not do in the past. To do the two main blades and file work each of them, we did upgrade on the models that I'm gonna show, as they have two main blades. Those both of them are file worked. So Swissbianco has that two blade versions of the 93mm Swiss Army knife as an exclusive. That is limited edition. It's either the Carver or the C Carver. In this case here it's the only one that is made as the C Carver. There are videos from all those knives here without the file work on my Swissbianco YouTube channel, and more information are in the Swissbianco newsletter online as well. So we see on the side the sucking needle feature, which indicates that it is a C Carver with the two main blades file worked. So the knife is like the regular ones in a limited edition, it just has the file work on the blade. This is basically embellishment. It can also be used a bit for put the thumb on it, so it is not that smooth on the back side of the blade, but mainly it's an embellishment. So that's for sure the masterpiece in this run. Then we have the same knife in the gold color, again with two blades, and both are file worked. The file work is done by hand, so each one is unique and different, a little bit different than the others. It's really beautiful work that Tom Stratton does. So thanks a lot, Tom, for all the years of help and great work on our Swiss Army knives. It's a lot of work, and Tom has a certain age by now too, so I'm still happy that he has the energy and the goodwill to help us on creating even more special Swiss Army knives. Then we have the red A-locks version. The work is really beautiful. Then I would say we start over here. That model is with a red shield, completely red. Also the file work blade. There's going to be more detailed photos of the different models with the tool open. It's a lot of work, but we're going to do that because once they are sold we never get them together anymore. Sometimes because it's that shiny it's a bit tough for the camera to see it, but I hope it works out. This video is also interesting for the few people that be able to buy one or two of those knives, that they see all of the knives together and their own piece within this range as well. I'm gonna keep some of them for myself as well in the study collection, but still most of it gonna end up all over the world by happy collectors. Hopefully some will see a bit use as well. And we're gonna do this video in 2 parts. It's already over 6 minutes. After the gold ones in this line we're gonna stop, and then we're gonna do a second part. Uploading the video on YouTube always take a couple hours, and if it gets too long it's really a pain. Those knives are all of the marlin spike run that we did. The marlin spike sacking needle feature is already a rare itself. There are pretty few parts left to assemble the sacking needle. Quite likely we're gonna get happy once more and lucky thanks to Victorinox in eBach, and then pretty much all the sacking needles are used up, and we see that towards Christmas 2014 how it goes. Yeah, as this run came in, that was early September 2014. That was part 1 of this video. We're gonna do part 2 of the 58 and the 91mm A-locks mainly, and then we have also an orange farmer, quite likely the only one that is fileworked as well. So have a look on the newsletter from swissbianco.com.